Hello and welcome back to Lessons Learned. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and made beautiful memories with your family and loved ones. Well, we are continuing on in our 4x4 challenge, and this is our second week. For the record, the cards are all officially made. The editing progress, not so much. So I look forward to sharing all of our card creations during this 4x4 challenge with you. So here are our 4 cards for week 2 of this November challenge. Let's take a closer look. This first card, Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, has a few special things going on. I made the background paper with the pop-out nested diamond stamp from Pink Fresh Studio. With this amazing stamp, you're able to pop out the respective nested rings and ink them independently while maintaining a beautiful alignment of this shape. I chose fall-themed colors here, but you could use other colors. Think color groups, gradations, tone on tone. The possibilities are endless. For the sentiment, I used the Thankful, Grateful, Blessed dies, which are from a Spellbinders release, and I cut them out on gold mirror cardstock. I also used the beautiful, intricate, engraved feather wafer die from Simon Says Stamp to make golden leaves. The card is finished off with Pink Fresh Studio Essentials crystals in bronze. It's so cute. Now this next card has to be my favorite. This card features the Spellbinders Stitch Thanks Small Die of the Month from April 2021. This die is a combination of a stitching die and the textured letter dies. With the stitching die, the die cuts the holes and it allows you to customize it with different threads. Think season appropriate colors. Your golds, silvers, variegated threads, ooh la la! I cut the die out twice to create some dimension in the panels, and then I glued those panels together. I used cardstock from Paper Tray ink to create this tone-on-tone look. Pink Fresh Studio dies create the slimline card and the scalloped border. This card is absolutely gorgeous. This cute card features mainly products from Pink Fresh Studio. An embossing folder from Spellbinders provides some texture on this beautiful cream Paper Tray ink cardstock. I used the curvy floral vine stamp and die set, along with coordinating inks from Pink Fresh Studio. The sentiment is also from the curvy floral vine stamp set. I balanced the card off with the gold foiled butterflies from the Pink Fresh Studio Small Butterflies Hot Foil Plate and Die Set. A few Hero Arts gems, finish the card off, and voila! And our final card is a doozy. This quintessential fall card features all the texture, all the colors, all the themes of fall. I have a cream cardstock embossed with the Plaid Company embossing folder from Spellbinders. I actually used some hay, or that's what I'm calling it, that I purchased from Joann's. I glued that hay down. Now for my fence, I reimagined the crate from the Spellbinders Holiday Haul October 2021 Small Die of the Month to create a gate here. I weathered everything with distress inks. I used dies from the Spellbinders Holiday Haul for the pumpkins and the Die Delights Fall Holiday Leaf Set for the leaves. This card is just lovely. Well, folks, there you have it. Those are the cards that were created and sent out with much love and care during week 2 of this November challenge. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to tune in to check out our latest videos. Please subscribe to this channel and be sure to click on the notification bell so that you know when a new video is posted. And until next time, be sure to bloom right where you're planted. God bless. Bye.